Hey loves, welcome back to another video. So it is Monday. It's Martin Luther King's birthday. If you have a dream, make sure you follow. No, real shit done. So I'm just sitting. I didn't get my life together yet. I'm still trying to get rid of these jumpsuits, so these gray and pink ones. So I'm about to make a flyer right now, and I'm going to do a 50% off today. Period. For the week, for the whole week, this whole week, I'm doing 50% off because I'm trying to get rid of these jumpsuits and jump onto something new. And I don't even think I want jumpsuits anymore. Like, I might get the black ones because everybody loves the black ones. As I told you, everybody loves the black ones. So I'm going to do some more black ones, but I'm not doing the gray and the pink ones. Everybody wasn't a fan. That's why I still have them. So we're going to do a Monday through Sunday sale. Monday through Sunday sale. Alright, so I'm back. My memory card was full. I need to upload this weekend vlog that I just did. So before y'all watching this video, y'all should have watched my weekend vlog, because I just vlogged for the weekend. I didn't do much, but yeah, it was just something. It was something for you guys. Like, I'm not going to come this far and not continue to give y'all content. Like, that's not how that works. So, yeah. Because keep it together. I'm falling apart. I feel all out my everything. Only things change. Feel better. So, yeah. I'm about to post that. Alright, so I said we're going to do the 50% off from Monday through Sunday. This is my second sale because I did a Christmas sale. Oh, I should put the I Have a Dream sale. Whew. So this is the I Have a Dream sale. That's what we're gonna call it. Alright, so we got this posted per alright, y'all. So now that we did that, yeah, alright, I'll be back. Alright, so hey loves, so I'm back, and as y'all see, I got all my Kizzi's jumpsuits. So y'all know we selling these jumpsuits 50% off. Yes. So this is my pink one. Yeah, so I'm about to do a little makeup. Oh, I'm gonna drop all my Pringles. So we're going to do, I'm gonna do my makeup. So yeah. So I'm about to finish posting all this stuff on my pages. Make sure y'all follow all my social medias. Everything is linked down below in the description box. I will be right back. I don't know why I got this bow in my head like this, but it looks cute when I do my makeup. So I might keep it, I don't know. So I'll be back in like 5 minutes. Strong, healthy, black. Alright, so I've been doing a lot of mixing products because I've been on type time. Like, yeah, I like my Fenty. I love Fenty. Like, I absolutely love Fenty. Like I should have been bought me some Fenty, but I've been mixing up my products, just doing a little bit of this, a little bit of that, just to like try new things, like just try new looks. So I'm so disappointed in myself because I did not So y'all know I love this NYX brow gel stuff. So I lost my top and I can't find it, and then it was like hard and I can't even get it out to use it. Like it's not coming out, so I can't even use it. Like, and I love that. Like, my brows is always lit. Always got me a ripple. So yeah, I'm mad I can't use that, but I didn't let that stop the show at all. So I've been using this Wet n Wild Unlimited Brow Kit. Y'all know when I first started my YouTube channel. I'm gonna put a link so y'all can see my very first YouTube video, and y'all can see how it went from that to this. Whew. And I did go back to this. Here's a concealer for my brows because I've been watching a lot of tutorials. I've been watching a lot of tutorials, and when they use these LA, like I used to use this back in my old videos, and it's like the brows is always lit. Like, all right, we back. I had to clear up some memory real fast. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna show y'all the little products I'm gonna use today. And I've been, listen, y'all know I've been doing these little quick makeup, little throw them in between the video. But I started using this stuff. I'm not gonna tell y'all yet. I started using this stuff, and when I tell y'all, my makeup be so bomb. Like, why would I buy something and just not use it? Like, that's crazy. This braid looks like it's about to fall awful. That's like crazy to me. I've been buying stuff and haven't even tried it, haven't used it, haven't did nothing. So today we gonna mix it up a little bit. We're gonna use our FARSALI moisturizer serum. We're gonna use our Fenty primer. I told y'all we're gonna use the Wet n Wild brows with the LA Pro Concealer. And we got our Fenty foundation. So we also gonna use this on my eyes, my eyelids too. Still a big fan of my Fenty, so don't get it misconstrued. So we are still going to use our mix and match set. The concealer, I have the concealer. The mix and match stick, I have Wheat Truffle, concealer and contour, and Confetti highlight. So we're gonna use them. I have been using my Juvia's Place. Like, I just been adding little dots to help blend it more. So being so I've been doing this with that one, I'm going to use this one today. LA Pro Concealer. This one is in Espresso. Y'all know I'm using this. It's so big mascara for show. As far as powders, I've been using my beignet powder. I've been using my Juvia's Place powder. I've been using my Fenty setting powder. And I've been using my Airspin powder. So I've been using all 4 of these powders. Just be wanting the powder on because it sets so well. And then some days you don't know if you're about to wear a mask or not. So you need, I've been watching videos and they be telling you like put more powder, more setting powder. So when you do take your mask off, all your makeup won't be in your mask basically. So we are going to use our Wet n Wild Mega Liner. I've been using this Black Radiance, that's what it's called. Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. It's medium to dark. When I tell y'all, this is amazing. I freaking love this. I really love this. Like, and I'm gonna show y'all. This is the video. This is the first time I used it in this clip, in this makeup look. And then I did it again in this makeup look. So it's so amazing. So this is the contour, it's the highlight, and this is contour, this is sculpting. That's what they call it, sculpture. sculpting. So basically you contour, holds on hairline, nose, angle, cheekbones. Yeah, you highlight, you contour, you sculpt all of this, and then you highlight. This is amazing. All right, for our eyes today, make sure we got a pink color in here. So we're going to use this Color Story, I guess it's called Color Story Tropical Glow Pressed Pigment Palette. So we're using this. I bought this a while ago too, and I don't use it. We're going to do this pink. Then we're going to put the brown in the crease. Then we might darken up that brown. And then we're going to put that one on the lid. So just something simple. Alright, so I'm not doing a TikTok today because it's taking me too long. So I'm about to hop into this video and let's get it. My battery's about to, so I'm about to finish this other eye and I'll be right back. As y'all can see, I cut these crease and I did the eyeliner right there. We're gonna get better at that. We gonna get better with that. But until then, practice makes perfect. Alright y'all, I'll be back.